fastest way to change keyboard on iPhone iOS 26. So if you want the fastest way to change keyboard on your iPhone iOS 26, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of General. Tap on General and then scroll down and you will find Keyboard section. Once you tap on keyboard, you need to go with keyboards, which is on top, and then here you need to add a new keyboard if you want to. But in my case, I've already added, which is right here. Now once you've added your keyboard, you need to just go back and then open up your keyboard, like make your keyboard pop out like this. And once you have your keyboard, if you want to change the keyboard or change the language, then what you need to do is just go with the bottom left, which has the globe icon right here. Once you tap on the globe icon, you will have all of these languages that you've just added. Like in my case, I'll just simply go and switch a language, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to change your keyboard. And again, if you want to change it back to original, then you can again go with the globe icon, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.